All my friends are getting phones, and I really want one too. I've asked Dad if I can have one for my birthday, but he doesn't think I'm ready to have one yet. I'll be starting secondary school next year, and I still haven't got a phone. It's so unfair.
Now press pause to discuss these questions. Once you've finished, press play to continue. It sounds like Marvin is frustrated and a bit upset. He may be feeling that he's not trusted in the same way as his friends are, or that it makes him look different, not as mature. If his friends are now using their phones to chat a lot, he might also be feeling left out. It can be difficult for young people if they see their friends of the same age getting phones before them, but it's also tricky for parents and carers. A big part of being a parent or carer is keeping your children safe, and this might be why Marvin's dad is waiting. He might be worried about online bullying, what Marvin might see on his phone, or simply the time that he might spend on it. Instead of simply saying no, Marvin's dad could explain that it's not a no, but a not yet, and they could work together to find the right phone for Marvin. They could look at some apps and games that Marvin would be allowed to use. His dad could also show Marvin how to use them. Here are our top tips for young people. Number 1, be patient. You might be desperate for a phone like Marvin, but your parents and carers might be worried and want to wait a bit longer. Number 2, work with your parents and carers. If you want a phone, then talk to your parents and carers about why you want one. Research the apps and games you'd like together and discuss how you will use it safely. Number 3, ask for help. Getting your first phone can be great fun, but there are risks too. Always let a trusted adult know if it's getting too much or if something upsets or worries you.